Have you ever wondered how it's possible for a single automobile to require hundreds of hours of manual labor and the involvement of dozens of specialists just to exist? The manufacturing process of a Rolls-Royce Phantom is nothing like that of an ordinary car. It combines precision engineering, extreme quality control, and a level of craftsmanship that is almost non-existent in today's industry. Every component is assembled with minimal tolerances, every surface is inspected in detail, and every system is tested over and over again. What really happens inside the factory for a vehicle to end up becoming one of the most exclusive machines in the world? The manufacturing of a Rolls-Royce Phantom does not follow the logic of a conventional assembly line. The process begins with the creation of the main mechanical assembly, where the V12 engine is individually built by specialized technicians. Each component of the block is inspected independently, and the moving parts are balanced one by one before being integrated. The operators work with extremely precise tolerances, using laser measurement systems to verify internal alignments that are not visible to the naked eye. Once assembled, the engine undergoes prolonged bench testing. During these sessions, vibrations, temperature, internal pressure, and the response of each cylinder under different operating conditions are monitored. At the same time, the transmission is prepared and coupled through manually adjusted joints using digitally calibrated tools. The mechanical assembly is tested as a unit before moving on to the next phase of the process. Meanwhile, the vehicle's base structure is prepared to receive the components. The chassis undergoes anti-corrosion treatments designed to protect it through decades of use. Before applying any aesthetic coating, the surface is subjected to chemical cleaning processes and electrochemical baths that ensure the proper adhesion of subsequent layers. Next, the application of multiple layers of paint and varnish begins. Each layer is deposited uniformly through automated systems supervised by operators and then cured in temperature-controlled ovens. This cycle is repeated several times until achieving a deep, uniform, and durable finish. During the painting process, each structure receives a tracking code that accompanies the vehicle through all stages of production. Optical sensors detect foreign particles or micro defects on the surface, and any irregularity is corrected manually before moving forward. The thickness of each layer is measured with high-precision instruments to ensure that the protection and visual finish meet the required standards. With the structure now prepared, the main assembly begins. The engine transmission unit is lifted by controlled suspension systems and positioned onto the chassis with millimetric movements. The connections are made one by one manually, ensuring exact torque values at each critical point. The braking, suspension, and steering systems are then installed along with the electronic components that control their operation. The wiring is carefully integrated along predetermined paths to avoid interference, vibrations, or unnecessary stress. At this stage, the exterior body panels are also installed. Each piece is aligned with laser measurement equipment that allows curves, folds, and joints to be adjusted so that the tolerances between panels are minimal and uniform. The doors are mounted and individually calibrated until achieving a silent and precise closure. The hinges are adjusted with digital tools to ensure smooth movement and long-term durability. The exhaust system is installed in sections with manually adjusted joints to prevent vibrations and leaks. Once the external structure is assembled, the vehicle undergoes an initial functional verification. The engine is started for the first time on the assembly line itself, connecting the electrical system to internal diagnostic networks that allow sensors, control modules, and basic operating responses to be checked. The wheels are temporarily installed to allow movement within the plant and facilitate the next operations. Craftsmanship takes on a particularly prominent role in the interior. The Starlight headliner, one of the model's most characteristic elements, is built entirely by hand. Thousands of optical fibers are individually inserted through the lining, creating unique light patterns for each vehicle. The arrangement of the light points can replicate real constellations or customized configurations according to the client's preferences. Each fiber is fixed, trimmed, and calibrated to achieve uniform intensity. The system is tested from different angles to ensure balanced illumination for all seats. The interior surfaces are prepared with woods selected from the same tree to guarantee continuity in the grain pattern. Each wood panel is cut, fitted and varnished in several layers with intermediate sanding to obtain a perfectly smooth finish. The hides used for the seats and panels are selected one by one, discarding any visible imperfection. They are then dyed in controlled processes to achieve a homogeneous color and uniform texture. The stitching of the upholstery is done manually with constant checks to maintain straight lines and consistent tension. The interior assembly continues with the installation of carpets, side panels, the center console, and decorative elements. The buttons and controls are placed and tested individually to ensure precise response. The climate control systems are adjusted for each area of the cabin, allowing independent control of temperature and airflow. The infotainment system is integrated with the vehicle's software and subjected to connectivity and response tests. In parallel, the electric seats, the position memory mechanisms, and the additional comfort systems are adjusted. The windows and acoustic insulation are inspected to ensure that exterior noise is reduced to a minimum. The materials of the interior roof are secured with additional layers of soundproofing and antibacterial protection. Each emblem and decorative element is placed according to the client's specifications. Once the main assembly is completed, the vehicle moves on to an exterior aesthetic inspection stage. Specialized technicians examine the paint under intense lighting from different angles to detect micro defects, variations in gloss, or irregularities in texture. The thickness of the coating is measured again at several points on the bodywork. The gaps between panels are adjusted until achieving symmetrical tolerances. The headlights are aligned with laser equipment to ensure a correct lighting pattern. Next, the vehicle undergoes a watertightness verification phase designed to reproduce demanding climatic conditions. The body is subjected to water jets projected from different angles and at various pressures, with the aim of simulating heavy rain and continuous splashes during driving. This procedure allows the behavior of joints, seals, and panel connections to be evaluated in situations close to real use. Once the water exposure is complete, specialized technicians carefully inspect the perimeter of the doors, windows, windshield, roof, and rear hatch to confirm that there are no leaks, residual moisture, or signs of water entering the cabin or technical compartments. Gutters, drains, and evacuation channels are also inspected to ensure that water flows correctly and does not accumulate in critical areas. In parallel, the electrical system is subjected to voltage and load checks under different operating scenarios. The behavior of the battery under variable demand is verified, as well as the alternator's ability to maintain a stable energy supply to all vehicle systems. Technicians check the integrity of the connections, the response of the electronic modules, and the stability of the internal electrical network when multiple consumers, such as climate control, lighting, assistance systems, and multimedia equipment, operate simultaneously. These tests make it possible to detect potential voltage drops, interference, or communication failures between control units. Once the water tightness and electrical validation stages are completed, the mechanical assembly is evaluated through driving simulators that reproduce different usage scenarios. Steep slopes, curves of various radii, and irregular surfaces are simulated to analyze the vehicle's dynamic behavior in diverse situations. Sensors distributed across the suspension, chassis, and bodywork record in real time the response of the pneumatic suspension, the load transfer between axles, and the stability of the assembly during abrupt changes in support. These data are compared with reference parameters to ensure that performance remains within the expected ranges. The steering is calibrated according to the comfort and precision criteria defined for the model. The assistance is adjusted to achieve a balance between smoothness during low-speed maneuvers and stability at higher speeds. At the same time, vibrations and noises inside the cabin are measured using acoustic sensors and accelerometers, with the aim of confirming that the level of insulation and quietness meets the established standards. Any deviation from the expected values is corrected before authorizing the transition to the next phase of the process. Before authorizing delivery, the vehicle undergoes an extremely detailed final inspection stage. Specialized technicians manually examine every exterior surface under different lighting conditions to detect micro-scratches, variations in gloss, color inconsistencies, or any defect in the paint texture. Edges, panel joints, trim pieces, and less visible areas are inspected to ensure that the finish is uniform across the entire vehicle. Handles, hinges and latches are repeatedly tested to verify that movement is smooth and silent, and that the sealing is correct on all doors, the trunk and the hood. Inside the vehicle, the inspection is just as meticulous. The leather stitching, the alignment of the panels, the continuity of the wood grain and the correct fastening of each decorative element are examined. The surfaces are touched to verify that there are no irregularities, undue tension in the materials or small imperfections that could affect the perception of quality. Each electronic system undergoes functional testing. Buttons, screens, climate controls, seat adjustments, ambient lighting, driver assistance systems, and connectivity features must respond immediately and consistently. The operation of windows, central locking, sensors, and auxiliary electrical mechanisms is also checked. Once the technical and aesthetic verification phase is completed, the vehicle goes through a comprehensive cleaning process. This stage is carried out with specific products and tools that do not damage the paint, lacquered surfaces, wood, or upholstery. Microscopic residues from the manufacturing process, handling marks, and any particles that may have settled during testing are removed. The interior is cleaned using methods that respect the texture and aroma of the materials, preserving their original properties intact. Finally, the result of the process is documented through internal records, which include visual and photographic inspections of the vehicle's final condition. This validation certifies that the automobile meets the manufacturing and quality standards defined by the brand. Only after completing this last round of checks is the Rolls-Royce Phantom authorized to leave the plant as a finished product, reflecting a process in which technical precision and craftsmanship are integrated into every phase of its construction.